Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And man, did we pick up a nice truck for you guys. You know what? That is a 2019 International 4300 series with a 26-foot stake body on it. Guys, this is what you're always calling me on. Hey, the best part? 25,999 GVW. Yupper non-CDL. How can you beat that? I tell you what, look at this thing. Look at the tires on him. Holy mackerel. They're like brand new. This got everything you need, guys. That's got a 100-gallon fuel tank. Hiding inside there's 2 brand new batteries. 26-foot Morgan deck. Look at that. You don't get much better than Morgan. Nice heavy-duty headache rack there. This has got the little pins on there, so when you go to take those off, they don't fall off when you're going down the road. I like that. Got the extra clearance lights on it. Look at the back tires. Man, this thing's knee-deep in rubber. It's got 2 of them there tie-down strap thingamabobs on the back. Steel racks for the sidewalls. Got a little extension right there for it. You got the bumpers right there if you want to back into a loading dock. And look at this. I haven't measured it. Looks like it's more than 4 feet wide to me. I'm going to guess that's probably close to 5 foot, but you know, we'll call it 48 by 6 wide. Nice piece, dual piston. Hey, look at this. This is the best part about this. 3,300 pound lift capacity. Here's single button, right? Up, down. I want you to watch this. Now I'm going to get down here. Because when that gets down, see how that self-levels? Now watch this. You run your pallet jack up there. When you go to raise it up, it levels first and then it starts to come up. Nice, solid piece. Quiet. Look at how nice that is. Holy mackerel. 3,300 pound capacity. LED lighting all over the place. You got your DOT striping on there. Hey guys, all we did was we painted the side and the back and the frame, but I want you to look. That's about as clean as you're going to get. Right? I'm going to show you why in just a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's got the air brakes on it. It's non-CDL. It's got a Tractor Supply toolbox on it right here. And I never remember. There you go. That's where you go. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Look at there, guys. That's real metal. Wow. How about that? Hey, the rest of it is a wood decking. Looks like it's had a little repair way in the back there, but that's fine. They did it right. They got a nice piece of diamond plate on there for you. Everything is so nice and clean, it's unbelievable. Take a look at this rust-free truck. Holy mackerel. Got the original factory floor mats in it. You got the 3-passenger seating. Nice piece. Clean, clean, clean. Look at how straight that is. It's got the nice, hey, those are power mirrors. You've got little lights on the side so people can see you. International's got such a good looking front end. It's got the integral little lights built right into the cab up there. Nice piece. Yeah, it's a 19, so yeah, it does take death. And looky. Air ride seat on the driver's side. And it's got power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, power windows, power door locks. You got the cruise control built in right there, and you got the tilt wheel right here, so you can move that wherever you need it. And it's got a working sound system. We're going to turn him off. Quiet. Quiet. Oh, I guess I got it. I'd pushed something here I shouldn't have, I guess. There's the power, I think. No, maybe not. Well, see, you got to be smarter than the radio, and I guess that ain't me. So, air conditioning, heating controls. Hey, look at there, nice Allison automatic. Beverage holders right there. You got your little thing to keep your telephone charged up. Air brakes. Such a nice piece. I'm going to show you the part that I like the best. Look at that. Look at that. 23,000 miles. And we're just going to go through here for you. Trip miles, look at there. 992 hours. That is phenomenal. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Such low mileage on this truck. You got the little storage stuff up here. Hey, it looks like the owner's manual might be there. Nice little setup right there. Such a nice truck. Clean, clean, clean. 2019 model. Under 23,000 miles. Under 1,000 hours of usage. And there's your, let me see if we can find it for you real quick right there, $25,999 for the GVW. Such a nice truck. How can you beat this? 2019's got the nice Cummins motor underneath the hood right there, 6.7 I believe it is. Allison automatic. Man, if you're looking for a nice, straight, low mileage, very, very, very usable truck, I got it for you right there. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. You can call me right here. The office number is 731-435-1605. And as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.